Hello guys, welcome to GITIXONE trading channel. This is a chart of the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. I took this zone some time ago, like I drew it some time ago, and you can see that the zone here I'm looking at here, the doji is the 15th of March 2022, because this is the daily chart, so each candle here is a whole day. All right, so this is the 15th of March 2022, and that's a key level, and market sold when it got back to that level. It kept dropping down. All right, so the market kept going down, and then it got to a level here, then it started buying, and it bought back to that same level again. All right, this is the same block. It bought there, and then it started selling, and it's been selling to this level here we have right now as of today. Today is the 16th of October 2023. So this is over 13 to 15 months. That's over a year actually, from March last year to October this year. That's well over a year. Okay, so now this level here, I would like to mark it for you so that you can take note of it. Let me just put a line there. Let me put a line. Let me put a line here. Okay, you can see that line. Let me put another one at the top here. All right. Okay, now there's a reason why I'm putting those two lines, because I want to show to you how this chart looks like. This is a Japanese candlestick chart, all right? So I want to show you how it looks like on the Renko chart, okay? And I'll show you how to analyze with it so that you can make some profit if you choose to use it. All right, this same chart now that has played out for the past 1 year plus 3 to 4 months. Let me show it to you how it looks like on the Renko chart. So I'm going to come here at the top here. I'll click on candles. Then I'll look for the Renko chart. This is Renko. All right. So I'll wait for it to load. Okay. So this is the same chart. This is the same chart that I just showed to you, and this is the 15th of March. Come on, all right, this is 14. Okay, there's no 15, so it's in between 14 and 16. That means this candle you are seeing here took like 2 days to change to red. All right, now this is where we put our cursor in 15th of March, but right now we can only show you 14th of March because of the way the candles, because of the way it is arranged. This is not candlestick now, this Renko bars. Okay, so, and this is the ATRO 14. You know, you can set the Renko bars using pips, that's number of pips, or you can also set it with ATRO. All right, so this one is default because I'm using the free version of the trading view. So I don't know if on the paid version I will have access to set it myself, but this is the ATRO 14. So you use the Renko, you can use ATRO to actually set the Renko chart. All right, so look at this. The chart that we just looked at in the Japanese candlestick chart that showed us the data of over 1 year and 4 months. Look at the same chart here. So everything that may happen from here to this level is a whole year plus. Everything from that place to this level is a whole year plus, like from March last year to October this year. Are you seeing it? So now that tells you that the Renko bars filters the noise that exists in the market. It filters the noise. Imagine you taking this type of a trade here, right here, on a sell, and you'll be holding this since July. But if you go to the candlestick chart, you will see the many stuff that has happened over the course of the last 3 months. Last 3 to 4 months, from July till now, a lot has happened. But you can see how straightforward the chart looks like from July, that's Thursday 27th July, till today, October 16th. Now, what I'm trying to show you now looks easy, but it is not really as easy as this. So if you intend to be a swing trader, like you want to hold market for long, the Renko bars is one of the go-to kind of charts for you to analyze the chart. By the way, I'm outside. I'm in a very noisy place. You get to hear the sound of people, the sound of birds. Yeah, I just want to be outside today while doing this video. Okay, so right now, all right. So let me just quickly switch back to the candlestick chart so that you see what I'm talking about. This area, candles. Okay, so this is the whole area that we marked in the Renko bars. You can see how long it is. Yeah, all the way from this level, from this side, okay, down to this other side that I just showed to you. It's over the course of a year. It's more than a year, but you can see that on the Renko bars, it's just highlighting it for us as if it's just a few days, right? Can you see it? So how do you use this to trade? Number one, it is easier to spot support and resistance levels with the Renko bars. Okay, it's very easy to spot them. So now, the moment you have been able to spot your support and resistance level, you plot them like I've done here. All you need to do is to wait for a full candle to form in the direction of your bias, and then you start trading. Okay, so let's assume, let me remove this. So let's assume I already spotted here as my support and resistance level, and I think market will drop from here. Then what I would have done is to put my sell here. All right, put my sell here, and my stop loss will be above the previous green, above it. All right, so that will be my stop loss. So then my take profit will be, I'll keep holding, or I'll hold until I see a change of block again, right? So, but the way to actually do it best is to allow the market to form a bearish candle in a direction that you are already about to face. So once it closes like this and it creates that full candle, you enter your sell and you put your stop loss above the previous color, like the one before the red was formed, which is the green above here. So, and you keep holding like this. Now, another way to also join this kind of thing is to allow the market to be trendy. As in this case, let me show it to you like this. As in this case, market is buying. Okay, it's been buying for a long time. This is all the way from March 2020. It's been buying, and then it gave this red here. So you know this buy trend has been established over the course of 4 to 5 months. So then it left this candle here. Now it's time for you to think of a way to join it. So how do you join it? The moment you see another candle formed in the direction of your bias, which is the green after this red, the moment you see a red in between and then a green now forms above it, that becomes your entry for a long bias. The same thing happened here. The moment the market left this red here, it came back up and dropped this blue here. The moment you see this green, rather not blue, green, you join it here. Your stop loss will be below the red. So let me show to you what I'm talking about. So your entry will be here, all right, and your stop loss will be below this red, and then you can hold it for as long as you see another resistance level, like in this case here. All right, this case here. So this will be the other resistance level, or you can hold it like that. So, or you can also see in this particular case too, this one, the same thing. This would have been longer. Okay, so now that is how you can use it to join a trend. But also it's very risky because trading is probability and you have to think of how much you're going to risk. So imagine also that as this red formed here and then you now decided to sell because there was also a downtrend from this other side in this manner. So the market started reversing and then it gave us all of these many green candles, and then it left this red. Some people will just decide to sell at the formation of this red because the market has been selling for a long time, for that time. So, but right now, maybe that one will fail them. It failed, and then it left this one. It's a signal that yeah, the market is buying now, so you join. What have I said so far? There are two ways to use this thing. It's easier to spot support or resistance level. Then it's easier to spot trending market. It cancels the noise that are in the market, and it can help you hold trade for long. All right. So this is for the ATRO. Now you can also on your MT4 and MT5. I know how to set it on MT4 and MT5, but I don't have access to the to my MT4 and MT5 right now, the indicator, because there's a way to set it. I have a template for it. I don't know where I saved it, but if I had found the template, I would have done it for you on the MT4. So maybe if you want me to show it to you on MT4, you can let me know. I can take the stress to go and look for the template, and I will set it for you so that you see how it is set on MT4. So you can decide to set it to be 40 pips, 10 pips, any pips you want. So once the price moves 10 pips, a new candle forms. Once it moves 10 pips, a new candle forms. If it moves 30 pips, a new candle forms. So that is how to use the Renko chart. It's easier to spot support and resistance level. It's easier, and then it's easier to hold trade for long. You understand me? So imagine selling at this level here. Let me put it here for you. Imagine selling at this level here. This level here. Sorry. Yeah. Imagine selling here, and you'll be holding all the way to this level. That's massive. You understand? That's massive. That means you'll be selling from around July till now. Meanwhile, if you go back to that same chart on candlestick chart, let me just quickly show it to you on candlesticks. Let me mark the place. Let me mark the area. Okay, marking here like this. So let's go to the candlestick chart and see how it looks. You can see, look at the area here. A lot has happened. A lot has happened. A lot that can take people in and out of trade. Those who are trading the candlestick chart can see that so much has already happened from that July till date. But on the Renko chart, it's just a few candles, it's just a few bars, okay, a few Renko bars. So that's how you see the advantage of it. You will no longer be disturbed with all of these up and down movements that takes place in the candlestick chart. So, but at the same time, you will still learn to be patient. You will still learn to risk properly. There's so much in it that is very, very amazing. So I want you to leave your comments below and see whether you like this kind of trading. There was a time I used it, but especially in my my synthetic indices account. Yes, there was a time I used it a lot, but I stopped it. Why? I was already too used to the Japanese candlestick charts, so it was kind of taking a lot of energy and stress for me to really master it as I should master it. So, but I've just shown to you the benefit of it. Maybe you would like to use this kind of candles to trade. It's actually a good one. But you must have to understand the amount of the candles, each of the candles, before as you are setting it, so that you know. Like in this case now, this price has hit this level where it is right now. The moment this market goes below that level, a new candle will form. A new candle will form, or will be formed. You understand me? So a new candle will form here. After the market goes below this level here now, a new candle will be formed. That's the way it is. So I don't know whether you understand what I just said so far, but it's easier to join a trend. It's easier to spot support and resistance level. It's easier to hold trades for long when you use the Renko chart. Okay, there are many ways you can use it, many ways, but these are the few advantages I've seen so far. That time that I was using it to trade, those are the advantages I saw. Okay, so imagine this support and resistance level. Okay, this is a resistance level. The market went to that resistance level and it left this red here. It went up, it failed. Okay, but because you know this is a resistance level, you will not just be buying at the resistance level. All right, so you cannot buy this one. So the market left this red here again. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to sell from here down. So you sold, and after selling for a while, you saw this blue candle or this green candle. You're supposed to jump out. Okay, then you go to that same resistance level again. You sell again. All right, until you see an opposite candle, you leave. Then the moment you see a red candle in the direction of the sell bias you already have, you keep selling. So that is how it is to trade a trend with it, and also to buy with it. Do you understand me? So the moment the market gets to support level, you know I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buy position. So you can look for a green candle to form where your bias is already a buy, and then you take that buy trend for some time. So it will help you to hold trades for longer than usual. So if you like this type of trading, you can start using it. But as always, you must apply proper risk management in every kind of trading you are doing. There's no trading that is 100% loss proof. You can take losses anyhow, any day, anytime, with any strategy, with any kind of chart. Whether you're using a line chart, you're using the Renko chart, you're using back charts, you're using Hikanashi chart, any kind of chart that you are using, you will surely have your losing side of the trading experience. Do you understand me? So in all, using recon bars as maybe a second method to view the market can be very, very good. I'm currently on a trade on Euro GBP, and I was not really so sure. Let me show the chart to you. Euro GBP, I was not really so sure if the market was going to buy. Okay, I'm currently buying. All right, yeah, this is the chart. I'm currently buying. I wasn't so sure if this market will continue to buy, but when I checked the Renko chart, I saw that yes, the candle was full, like it's still full. So I decided that it will still continue to buy. So I'm still holding that trade. I'm going to hold that trade until this level here. Until this level here. That's where I'm going to hold that trade. There's a possibility I can hold it beyond that level, up to this level. It depends. But I'm currently on a buy, hoping that it will maybe get to this level here. All right. So my trade is not on TradingView. I trade on MT4. Okay, I don't have the experience to trade on TradingView yet. Do you understand me? I'm still learning. When I get to that point where I can use it to trade, I will trade with it. But right now I still trade with MT5. So, but I'm on this buy. I'm on this buy. So my confirmation for the strong buy came because I looked at the Renko chart. So I was so happy that I'm actually buying. So let me show to you how this look like on the candlestick chart. All right, so you can see. So on this buy, it didn't get to my entry, but I decided to enter. Like I jumped into the buy. I jumped into it somewhere around here. So this was the analysis I had before, that it will have to market will get down here before it will buy, but it didn't get down there. So but when I checked the Renko chart and it was still very, very green, and I decided to jump into it. I looked for an entry on the 4-hour. So let me show to you the entry I used on the 4-hour, so that you know I had not just entered blindly. So this is the entry I used on the. Are you seeing it? So this is the entry I used on the 4-hour. So I've been on this buy from this level here now. This level. This was how I entered on the 4-hour, and yeah, I'm still at profit. So I hope to hold it for a long time up to this level here. All right. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So trading can be easier depending on what part of it you've mastered. You can master how to use Renko chart. You can master how to use candlestick chart. You don't have to play around with this with your live account. You can decide to use your demo account to test what the Renko chart will look like, and if you get a better experience with it, then what stops you from implementing it? All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Yeah, thank you for watching.